Check out this black beauty here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1977 Ford Thunderbird two-door coupe. 3-owner car. A little over 20,000 original miles in this car. Yes, original 1C paint coats, original black car. Has the RS trim coats, a dove gray interior, split bench with fold down armrests. So still looks the way it would have when it left Ford back in 1977. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. Chrome bumper. Great condition up front here. Now, it is black. You are going to have a few little spots. Previous owners did a little touch up on it, but overall, this car shows very well, especially considering age. No doubt about that. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC. I did have the AC compressor kicking off. AC was blowing cool. Power seat, power windows, power mirrors. Check out the still pictures. Take a look at the underside. Look at the engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on US mag wheels, the black inlay and the polished kind of beauty ring area. Nice looking wheel on the car. There's one little tiny, I don't know if I can even get it to show up, it's just kind of a little thing right there, imperfection, I guess, when you kind of see it. That's really getting nitpicky. Also, you can see smoked side glass, so know your local and state laws when it comes to the percentage you can have the darkness of the tint at for legal levels. Look at how long and straight those black panels are, so you can see that that car is in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome bumper also shows well. The black vinyl top. Also nice condition. Just don't see them out there in this condition that often. Although it was a very popular selling body style, no doubt about that. Still pictures, take your time looking through the pics, probably close to 100 pics of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side, rear to front, and you can see nice reflection coming off that paint. There's a nice shine to it. And again, really free of much of any major dings, dents, scratches. Yes, there's a few. Showed you some on the hood, and you may find an imperfection. It is black. Consider the age of the vehicle. Overall, wow. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. I think we know what this is going to look like with that kind of miles on it. Door panels. Look at this, not even really discolored, cracked, aged, anything like that. The carpeting, the floor mats. You can see underneath the floor mats carpeted area. Also nice shape. And then look at the just lack of wear on the seats. Dove gray, original color, great condition. I did mention power seat earlier. This one does function as it should in every direction. Power windows work. AM, FM radio works. Take a look at the headliner. Also in nice shape. The wipers working. Mentioned the AC earlier. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Well, there's your actual miles, 20,539. Passed along through the 3 owners. So that's it, 3-owner car is all. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. That's the door ajar light, by the way. So let's close it up. Make sure we don't have any warning lights on. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also nice shape, no cracks, checking, any sort of fade going on there or sunbaked. Slip around to the back. Smooth running car. That's what you'd expect for a 77 T-Bird 302 in it. All right, let me slip up to the hood here. Let me release this, get it open. We'll check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Here we have a 1977 Ford Thunderbird. I'm gonna take it for a drive for you. This car seems to be in very good condition. Radio works. Both our blinker indicators work. Fuel gauge is showing above full. That may be correct, but I kind of not thinking it's full. Our normal temperature is straight up in the middle right now, between cold and hot. The clock does work. The rest of it is taken care of by lights, not gauges. Is really easy to drive. Very responsive power steering. Smooth ride. Goes perfectly straight down the road. No excessive noises or hardly any wind noise, even a little bit, due to the temperature outside being 15 degrees today. We have windshield wipers that work. Our blower motor works great.
Alright, then we got the hood open. Take a look at the hood liner. Under hood light's still working, as it should. Alright, here we go, 302. Again, AC, you can see the AC has been converted from the R12 134. Smooth runner. Power steering, power brakes. I have had that compressor clutch turned on and off. What's really cool, as I mentioned earlier, I guess pretty stock engine bay. I mean, take a look at how clean it is, lack of corrosion. It's what you'd expect, re-owner, this kind of miles on it. Classy looking car in black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.